Hello there, beautiful people. It's your favorite fashionista here, the Ashley Michelle, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And on this channel, we discuss all things, both beauty and fashion, and hopes that you might find affordable quality products and most importantly, discover the beauty within. And if you are looking for natural, affordable quality lace front wigs that are under $50, then keep on watching. Alright you guys, y'all already know I am super duper excited because these are my favorite videos. I love doing wig reviews, like y'all already know. I'm excited. Like I just can't wait to show you guys what I have today, because today, baby, we are playing with color today. Yes, that's right. We're not doing any more plain Jane. I got a lot of color coming for you guys in these next few videos, so definitely make sure that you are subscribed and your post notifications are turned on so that way you do not miss any new videos that are coming out on my channel. And also, I do want to give you guys a quick update on Miss Kaja. So if you have not seen the full initial review of Miss Kaja, definitely make sure that you check that video out. I am going to link that video to this video as well. But I do just want to let you guys know how she is treating me. So I have been wearing Miss Kaja for a few days now. I have been wearing her pretty much every day since I have tried her on, and I'm loving her. I really am loving her. For her to be a straight synthetic wig, I literally thought that Kaja was probably going to last 2 days and I was going to be tired of her. But you guys, honestly, I've had no problems with her at all whatsoever. Like I told you guys in one of my previous videos, I do not sleep in my wigs, so that's another reason why I'm able to have my wigs last so long, because I don't sleep in them. I mean, you're just asking for a disaster. I'm just saying, if you go to sleep in a synthetic wig. But yeah, so far as tangling and shedding, I have not received any shedding whatsoever with Miss Kaja. I really love that and appreciate about her, because she is long and she is synthetic and she's straight. And that's another reason why I really do love this unit, because it doesn't shed. Now tangling, I have noticed a little bit of minimal tangling, but that's because typically when I wear my hair, when I wear longer wigs to work, I have to pull them back out of my face so that way I can freely do my work, get my work on. So yeah, other than that, just from it being in a ponytail all day and then having to, you know, just brush her out to get her nice back and flowy, that's the only thing that I've been noticing. But other than that, I really do love Kaja. And another thing that I did want to mention about this wig is just the luster and the quality is freaking bomb. Like, you guys, it rained the other day and I forgot to grab an umbrella and my wig got wet. So I just want y'all to like look up close. The wig still looks fine. So anyways, enough talking about Miss Kaja. We're gonna get into the next wig for today. Alright you guys, so today we are meeting Miss Deedra. She is also from the Janet Natural Me Blowout collection, and she is kind of a shoulder length, nice little curled look. And you guys, I'm super duper excited about her because, do y'all see this color? I got her in the color DR2 Copper. So y'all, like, let's just get into it. Let's just get into it. All right. Whew. Y'all, do y'all see the color? Do y'all see this color? This is saying fall. Like, y'all, I'm ready for her. I'm already ready for her. Ooh, and we got some dark roots. Y'all about to see. If y'all don't follow me on Instagram and Facebook, make sure you check those out, because y'all gonna see all of this, okay? So anyways, y'all, do y'all see the color? Do y'all see the color? I know y'all see it. I don't even have it out the nets yet. Yes, ma'am, Miss Deedra, you better come through. Do y'all see those curls? Curls for the girls. Y'all know I just love a good wig. Like, I love a good wig. I'm like taking my time getting her out the box. All right. So Miss Deedra. Okay, so we do have a curved part, curved. I get so excited I can't talk. So we have a curved side part with Miss Deedra. I am gonna shift that to see if it shifts. We're gonna see, But as y'all already know, with the other Natural Janemy collection wigs, we only have one parting of lace. So guys, so we do have 2 combs in the top, and we have a comb in the nape area along with adjustable straps. Like I've been saying, these wigs are pretty snug and big head friendly. So if you have a nice little big dome like myself, these wigs are definitely going to be nice and secure and snug on you. And if you have a smaller head, you can definitely readjust these wigs with the straps. I really love the overall construction of the Janet collection wigs so far. So what I'm going to do is cut the stock card off and actually try her on really quickly. But she also comes in the color 1B30, 4, I believe she comes in, yes, 1B30, the color that I have Miss Kaja in, and she also comes in a golden and caramel brown as well. But y'all, we got the color today, baby. You guys, another thing that I forgot to mention, if you guys want to see me do multiple hairstyles with Kaja, the straight wig that I had on earlier, definitely make sure you go back and comment on my last video with her, because I really do want to show you guys some different hairstyles, but I don't want to show it to you guys if y'all don't want to see it. So definitely go back, comment on that other video, and let me know if y'all want to see those different hairstyles. Y'all, I gotta take a deep breath. I might pass out up here, y'all. Like, this color is popping. Popping, popping, popping. I'm not even gonna look up yet. I'm not gonna look up yet. I'm not gonna look up. Ooh, okay. It's like when you go from a dark wig to a colored wig, it's like, OMG. I just done came alive. Okay, so where's my brush? So I'm definitely getting Farrah Fawcett, those 70s fluffy curls from this. I am going to lightly brush through these curls. I don't know if I'm just gonna use my fingers or actually a brush. Oops. Yeah, I think we're gonna start off with fingers before I actually use a brush. So yeah, definitely got some curls, some body with this wig. I'm gonna turn around to the back so that way y'all can see what we got going on. Okay. Alright, y'all, so let's get up and close and look at this hairline really quickly. So yeah, I'm definitely going to have to put makeup on my cap. This cap is peeking all the way through, but I do like, let me pull her up some so y'all can see her on my actual hairline. But I do like how they already pre-pluck some of the hairlines, so it does make it a whole lot easier if you do want to go in with baby hairs. So I really love that about these wigs in this collection. Far as the parts, the way they have it, you can switch it to the other side, but as y'all can see, the curls are not the same. Like, it doesn't give you the same effect. You can kind of like have it like a flip over kind of way and switch the part to the other side. But personally, I do like my parts on this side of my face. I always like to have a left part over a right part. I don't know why, but I actually prefer this wig the way that it comes with the right part. Y'all already know we are about to get into the install. Y'all drop me some products down below. I am looking to try out some new things with my synthetic wigs as far as laying them down, but I am going to go ahead, cut the lace off, lay it down with some Got To Be glue freeze spray and that edge glue, and we're gonna come back and talk about her. We're gonna come back and talk about her, you guys. Alright, you guys, so here are the final results of Miss Deedra. You guys, like, I am super duper in love with this color. Like, this color is so perfect for the fall, and I can say that is literally my favorite thing about this wig. So I'm just gonna jump right into the rest of the pros on Miss Deedra. Number one, of course, is the color. You guys, Janet did an amazing job with this color. Like, y'all, it looks super duper natural. We have nice dark roots, and then it just ombres into the copper color. And I hope that you all can see that they did some highlights and some lowlights. So I have some darker pieces and some lighter pieces in this unit. I am going to turn around so that way you guys can really see the color. But you guys, this color is the bomb.com. Like, literally, I have another video on my channel where I did this color. I actually did a black wig and lifted it to this color. But you guys, one thing that I love about synthetic wigs is, like, you don't even have to go through the hassle of bleaching, dyeing, over bleaching, trying to correct the color and it not being right. So definitely 2 thumbs up for me for the Janet collection on this color. And again, I'm gonna turn around real quick so that way you guys can see closely all of this beautiful color that we have going on in this unit. Oops. All right, so the second thing that I love about this unit are the curls. After I finger combed them out, they didn't really give me that like super duper perfect wiggy look to it. So I definitely like how the curls, they're nice and full, but they're not too tight. You really can manipulate them to give the look that you want, because at first, not gonna lie, when I first put it on, I was like, ooh, this wig got me looking like somebody auntie, grandma, and I was just like, yeah, no. But now that I, you know, have been playing with it, ran my fingers through it a few times, it's definitely giving me those nice, voluminous, grown, and sexy curls that I was looking for, with this unit. So I definitely love the curls. I love the layering. Like, they did a good job. There's not a harsh transition from the shorter pieces to the longer pieces. So that really does make it just look a lot more natural. Like, this really does look like if I got my hair colored, you know, and got a nice little blowout, this is what it would look like. So I definitely love that. I love the texture, y'all. I've been saying that throughout this whole entire series. The Janet collection did an amazing job when it comes to the yucky natural texture, blowout texture. This wig is super duper soft. And now I'm not gonna lie, I did get a few strands of hair. I don't know if y'all can see. It's kind of faint. Those 2 strands. But I am getting just a few little strands here and there. Okay, so now I'm not getting none. But I did get 2 strands just now, running my fingers through the wig. But overall, because of the way this wig is cut, this wig should not tangle, just because it's a nice shoulder length look. It's not really, doesn't have nothing to tangle against. Now, like I always tell you guys, if you sleep in your wigs, or if you're always constantly combing and brushing your wigs, you will receive more shedding if you just leave it alone. Just leave it alone, let it hang, let it do its thing. Another thing that I love about Miss Deedra is the part. I wish that you could make this wig a little bit more versatile and put it in the middle or put it on the opposite side. But to me, if you're looking for something that you can wear pretty much every day and not really have to do too much, this is the wig for you. Because you guys, I literally did 2 swoops of baby hairs on the right side of the wig, but I didn't do none of that on this side, just because you can't see it, because we have all of this lovely bang going on in the front. So really, if you're looking for a wig that you can just throw on and walk out the door, this is definitely that wig. And honestly, you don't really have to do baby hairs. The hairline, they did an amazing job pre-plucking. So as long as you add some makeup on the lace like I did, you'll be able to mask that, and you really won't even see. Cons about this unit. Y'all already know I've been loving every single unit out of this collection. Like, I can't even lie to y'all. I don't really have nothing bad to say. The only thing I wish is, like I've been saying, give us a full lace frontal. Like, come on. Like, y'all, we really could be doing some cute little half up half down with this hair if we had a full lace frontal. So, and I mean, I know that would cost a little bit more coin, but I mean, for $20 more, on this wig, I definitely would have paid $20 more to have a full 13x4 lace frontal wig. But other than that, I'm going to give Miss Deedra, I'm gonna give her a 9 out of 10. And a 9 out of 10 because I want more lace. Like, I just want more lace. Like, come on, give me the lace. But no, seriously, she really is, I might have to say she's my favorite. Out of all of the 3 wigs that I've showed you guys from the Janet Natural Me Blowout collection, Deedra is honestly my favorite one. And really, I think it's the color. The color and the style. The color and the style. So yeah, Deedra is literally my favorite one. So if you have not seen the first 2 videos on Tessa and Kaja, definitely make sure that you check those out. And y'all drop me a comment down below of which wig was your favorite. And let me know which wig that you tried out. So yeah, y'all let me know in the comments. Talk to me. Let's chat it up about the Janet Natural Me Blowout collection. But other than that, that is all that I have for this video. I definitely have enjoyed doing this series with you guys. You are notified when new videos drop on my channel. And do not forget to share this video with your friends. Give it a thumbs up so that way we all can be fabulous together. And don't forget to check out the description box down below for all the details on this wig and the other wigs in this collection. And most importantly, remember to stay beautiful, stay blessed, and stay poppin'. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.